Today we are going to discuss about the Ohm's law. So what is the Ohm's law? At constant temperature and pressure, the applied potential difference across the conductor is directly proportional to the current. If I using this experiment, we should calculate the aim for that experiment as resistance per length of the wire. So it is nothing but a ohm per centimeter we have to calculate. So what are the required equipments? 12 volts battery, eliminator and ammeter and voltmeter, and one variable resistance is nothing but a rheostat and a one way switch. Okay, then after 100 centimeter wire, L centimeter is nothing but a 100 centimeter wire. Just look at the small only according to connections. Just switch on the battery eliminator. Battery eliminator is positive, is connected to the positive terminal of the ammeter. Okay, battery eliminator positive connect to the ammeter positive, and ammeter negative is connected to the voltmeter positive. Ammeter negative is connected to the voltmeter positive, and the voltmeter negative is connected to the lower end of the rheostat. Then after rheostat upper end is connected to the one way switch one side. Okay, then after another side of the one way switch is connected to the battery eliminator negative. Okay, and the parallel connection with the voltmeter, 100 centimeter wire is directly connected with the parallel connection. This side is directly connected to the voltmeter, and another side also connected to the positive and negative parallelly. This is the closed connection. Okay, so first experiment, just we have to vary the rheostat values. Then it will be, we should calculate the value of resistance. So like this, by varying the 3 values or 4 values we should connect there. So ammeter value, this is the voltmeter value. For example, ammeter value 0.2 volt. So then after voltmeter value 1.5 volt. So ammeter value 0.2 now. Then here voltmeter value 1.2. So R is equal to V by I. So we got the R, first experiment value. Second experiment, again vary the rheostat value. Then it will be 0.3 amperes. Then it will be 2.4 amperes. Same. Then you will get the R is equal to V by I. Then similarly we have to calculate varying the rheostat for 4 experimental values or 5 experimental values. We will consider the 4 experimental values mean R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus R4 divided by 4. Then we will get the R mean value. For example, X ohm. So for that, so this is the 100 centimeter wire. For that wire, we should R mean divided by the 100. So whatever the things we are getting now, that is in ohm per centimeter. Okay. One more time. Battery positive connected to the ammeter positive. Ammeter negative is connected to the voltmeter positive, and voltmeter negative is connected to the lower end of the rheostat, and upper end of the rheostat connected to the one way switch one side, and another side of the one way switch connected to the battery eliminator, and 100 centimeter wire parallelly connected with the voltmeter. This side is red and this side will be the black, nothing but a positive. This is the parallel connection. Okay, thank you.